is once you get one person aboard, two people aboard, and then those two people is going to be two more. It's like the Fibonacci. I was trying to get to the Fibonacci, but I was.
But sometimes the thing is the one at the bottom, the chord at the bottom. If he removes himself, everybody else can support themselves. But in this case, if I remove myself, nobody can support my part. And I started the video already. Baruch atah, it's Friday, and it just so happened it's not Tvilen exactly. See the way it seems coming from the back of my head, but it's tied up right over there. It's just crisscrossing. Not a big thing, just so it doesn't fall off. Are they both positive? Are they both positive? See, this plugs in right here. Should I be putting it up here? Should I have put it the other way? Oh, I got my own private sun. Oh, there you go. There you go. I got my own private sun. I got my own connector. They're two positive wires. I turn them up on the stove, putting up the heat, or it's off. It's either on or it's off. How is this receiver working? I do not know. Does this have anything to do with the bull or the Taurus? Does this have any relevance at all to our plugin? Does it mean anything that I put it on and on a Friday? And you know what happens on a Friday during this time of the year? Do you know I think there's only one more week before we fly onto the other side of the solstice, and all those who have Shabbat Shalom on Friday will be getting an extra 90 seconds the week after next. So this is the second to last week of the end of the early Shabbat. And I don't know how the plugin works. Okay, and what happened to this one is, you see that? That part burnt out. Because over time, putting this in and putting this out, if it comes off just a little bit, or if there's a little dirt and the heat can't pass, it's going to ask, I think, for more energy, and it burnt out the end. By burning out the end, it overheated this, made a hole in it, and it burnt off the metal part on the inside. Is that happening to us? Is that why we get Alzheimer's? Is that why we can't recycle all of our... What is this? The body, the hue of light? Is that why the heart gets old and it's not as strong? Is that why our blood breaks down? What goes wrong with us, and what's wrong with the plugin? Do we need a little bit more of the EMP? How about HEMP? You never know. Sews everything else together. And biodegradable, grows fast. Every single summer you can have just as much, more than the trees rooted to the ground. Think about it, just from this element and all the elements of life. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.